Katangga mo sa Relax Sarap. Red Horse Beer. Relax Sarap na. Drink responsibly.
Sapat na impormasyon. Musikang nagbibigay ng inspirasyon. Mula 1996 hanggang ngayon, taos-puso kaming nagpapasalamat sa patuloy ninyong pagsuporta at pakikinig. Dahil sa inyo, patuloy din ang paglilingkod ng GBAL 792 sa bayan. 28 years of public service and good music. Ito po ang GBAL 792. Naglilingkod sa bayan. We now conclude a day of broadcasting activities. This is TVAM 792 Naglilingkod sa Bayan, a commercial radio station owned and operated by TV Radios Network Corporation with 5,000 watts transmitting power that operates daily from 5 a.m. to 12 midnight, authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission. The TVAM 792 station is located at the 4th floor of PG Building, MacArthur Highway, Balibago, Angeles City, Pampanga, Republic of the Philippines. The GBAM 792 transmitter station is situated at the Royal Golf Country Club, Porac, Pampanga, maintained and operated by the following personnel duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission. Engineer Erwin Villegas Gala with ECE number 10845, Mr. Elmer Buasa. First class radio telephone operator with license number 24881, Mr. Ener Tulio. First class radio telephone operator with license number 971 PIII 19648. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. This is GBAM 792 Naglilingkod sa Bayan, now signing off.
Bayang magiliw, pala sa silanganan, anak ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiin, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong babaw. May dinagang tula at ang sa pagnayang minamahal, ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagririnig. Ang bituin at araw na kailan pa may di magdilihim, lupa ng araw.